Morning in the morning. It's Janice. Now, you're going to see me in the morning sometimes with a new hairstyle. I've not brushed my hair yet because I'm deciding whether I like the way it looks just right. Anyway, I'm getting a new camera. And I'm getting a new camera this week. So you're going to see me. Thumbelina is bringing me something so she can go fetch. So I'm getting my new camera and I'm going to be doing video. And the reason why I dare to get on the video looking like this is because there's a ton of people out there who are afraid to do this. Or just, they'll get all done up and then they don't want to be on sorry. My phone springs. You can't settle me down, so don't try. Don't be afraid to be, if I can look like this, which it's only going to get worse. As you get more comfortable, you'll understand that what's coming out of your mouth, I better be careful what I say, coming out of your mouth, that's important. And you know what else is probably even more important than that? Is that you're actually getting on, you've got the, I'm trying to keep it clean, it's not even 8 o'clock yet. Coconuts, coconuts are nice. Stop, Janice. So get on your videos, do your videos. I love the videos. I am going to, and it's not that I'm just going to sit here with Bedhead. I'll teach you a thing or two. If I can stop laughing long enough. I'm so excited about this camera. I don't know how I slept last night. And it's not even going to be here till next week. So you're going to have to deal with my phone. A couple of things that I'm going to do in my videos is I'm going to show you how to do videos if you're not clear about it. And I keep everything really basic, apparently. So, if you're having a hard time understanding, and I really have learned from the best. I'm not going to mention their names yet because I don't want to. I don't want to take part in the Zuckerberg trials. What's that about anyway? Didn't we know? Yes. Here, sign this and we'll keep it private. Oh, I feel so bad for Mark, honest to God. I've had to have 4 employees at a time and it was like a babysitter's nightmare. So, I'm not going to go radically political because I have no idea what politics are about, except Trump has made it fun, so I watch him. The new camera is going to allow me to teach you with, I don't know, with better color. I don't know what it's going to do. The other thing that I do is photography. So if you're interested in some basic photography, I can help you out choosing the starter kit camera, I guess. And I have a certain style, so it's the only style I can teach you. The other styles I've got no idea. But I can give you, now that I can do, I can give you names of reviews.com. Enter first name reviews.com. And then you'll be able to do a little bit of research on your own. The other thing that I'm going to do is I had a cleaning company for 10 years. And when I first started, of course, I did all the cleaning. And I used to get my nails done, and I had them gelled and all like that. But I had them actually make them thicker because I used them as tools. I asked my tax guy if I could write them off. He said no. And you can't do it with the cats either, so I was disappointed. I was in the Bay Area, in the Silicon Valley. I lived about 5 minutes from Google and Facebook and all those guys, and I kind of hung around with some of those people in the Silicon Valley. And they all do the same. We're all connected in the Silicon Valley. We're all connected. Everyone knows everyone. So why they're making this privacy thing a big deal? Poor Mark. But everyone knows everyone in the Silicon Valley, Senator. Okay. We're going to do some cleaning. And there's a reason for that. I can show you some tricks that it's going to A, save you some money, B, make it cleaner. Because I've got to tell you, on a serious note, I was the best. Well, in North America, I was extremely good at what I did. And I like to cut corners. You can cut corners and be really good. Just trust me on that. Now, I'm a little decrepit because I spent a year in the hospital, if y'all didn't know. I'm from Canada and I'm saying y'all. Where's the back? Martha. So you're going to see some Cirque du Soleil that is not just as graceful as this. And if a choice word, if I have a mishap with my my language and my etiquette, please forgive me. Thanks in advance. The cats now want to go out, and I think that I've taken enough of your morning. Have a great day, and for those of you who are in the marketing and even just the friendship thing, I love seeing my friends doing videos. You can just get on there. Like, I'll do it right now. Hi, Karen. Karen is my friend. She's a crazy cat lady. Well, who, me? I didn't do it. Cut. See, that's good. I'll see you tomorrow. Maybe this afternoon. Maybe later this morning. Because now I'm having a cappuccino, so I'm going to be raring to go. Okay, love you all. Ciao for now.